So 2023 BMW 5 Series with gearbox lock immobilisation, which allows you to get in the car and start the car up to either cool it down or warm it up, to your preference. But gearbox will not be engaged until your unique PIN code is entered. So at the moment the immobiliser is disarmed. You can see the engine's running. Sorry, no, I think the immobiliser is armed at the moment. So the engine's running. We've started the car up. Now if I try to select the gear, you see it's not letting us select the gear. Okay, gearbox locked. Okay, reverse, park, won't let us select the gear. So we need to put the PIN code in, unique PIN code, using a combination of button pushes. We can use many of the buttons on these. It's the same with most BMWs. Selection of buttons, up to 20 pushes. We normally go for 4 or 5, it's normally good enough. So we put the code in, and up there on the dashboard, if I just flash the lights, you'll see the main beam warning light there. So if I put the code in by pushing the buttons, you see the main beam warning light flashes. Okay, that tells us the immobiliser is disarmed. So if I go back down to select the gear, you can see now we can select the gear forward and backward, no problem at all. Okay, so that's the immobiliser deactivated, the car ready to go. Now if you want to arm the immobiliser again, it's quite straightforward. Engine off. When you open the driver's door, 2 flashes there indicates the system is now armed again. So the gearbox lock is now on. So again, we can get in the car and start the car. Can't select a gear,